Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg, and I am so excited to introduce you to the most highly anticipated luxury custom home in Highland Park of 2022. This beautiful property behind me incorporates a modern French style, architectural creativity, and detail and design that is going to make your jaw drop. This property features 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 3 half baths, over 8,600 square feet of living space, a study, formal dining, and a 3-car garage. You have an incredible outdoor living space complete with covered patio, artificial turf, and pool. Plus, this home has 3 levels and an elevator that takes you from the first floor all the way to the top. So join me for this exclusive tour as you get to see it first. Come on. Built by the award-winning Ventura Custom Homes, immediately when you enter this property, the luxury story unfolds. Wow! Right when you walk into the home, you are greeted with these magnificent 6-foot wide iron swivel doors, plus beautiful crown molding, lots of natural light, and a beautiful circular modern gold light fixture. Immediately to the right of the entry is the study, which you can find these beautiful sliding iron custom-made doors. And when you walk into the study, you notice this grand marble floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace with gold accents and lighting. And on both sides of the fireplace, you notice these beautiful, modern, nature-inspired light fixtures. One of my favorite features of the study is the coffered ceiling with crossing beams and the custom wood design of the walls. The study brings the outside indoors with these 3 floor-to-ceiling glass iron doors that open up to your front porch and the courtyard. Wow, that's a really nice water feature. Now follow me from the study to the formal dining. A unique feature that the builder brought to the formal dining room is the beautiful circular gold brushed accent with a nature-inspired chandelier. After you have your guests situated here in the formal dining room, it's time to open a bottle of wine. So meet me in the Butler's Pantry. Here in the Butler's Pantry, you're greeted with these marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and you got this incredible wine storage that features double glass doors and a marble back wall. And it's all climate controlled, so you can adjust your wine to the perfect temperature. Plus, you have 2 sub-zero fridges with slide out storage for your favorite wine. And you can control the temperature from your phone. If you like to cook, but you don't want to get messy, walking from the Butler's Pantry to the kitchen, you have this prep kitchen area with plenty of counter space, lots of storage, and look at the size of the sink and the beautiful hardware. Then open these double iron doors where you have this little courtyard complete with a gas hookup so you can do some grilling. Now walk from the chef's prep area to this luxurious kitchen. This is a culinary ninja's dream. Mamma mia! Look at the size of this quartz island in the kitchen. There is enough space in here to put the whole cast of Mamma Mia, your family, and friends. And of course, your realtor. Your kitchen has it all, complete with tons of quartz countertop space, the beautiful 14-foot long quartz island with prep sink. You've got plenty of storage. The kitchen is fully equipped with an industrial 60-inch double Viking stove with gas, grill, cooktop, Ventahood, and gold trim accents with marble backsplash. You also have this double sub-zero fridge and freezer. Absolutely no detail has been spared in this kitchen, down to the gold pot filler and your pop-out electrical outlets. Completing this kitchen, you'll notice double fridge drawers, a Wolf microwave and steam oven and warming drawer. One of my favorite features of this kitchen is it's an open concept. You have this breakfast area, which includes this marble wall with Montego fireplace and a space for your flat screen TV. Move from this dining space to your wet bar. What can I get you, partner? Here in the wet bar, you got space for all of your favorite spirits. Now that you've got your beverage, let's move on to this incredible family room, which gives you open views of your outdoor living space. You have this beautifully crafted, marble grooved, floor to ceiling fireplace, which you can operate with a click of a button. And you also have your iron floor to ceiling glass doors that open up opposite of your study, so you can meet your friends right here in the middle for a little relaxing namaste. Look at this view. Now let's get you out there to go enjoy it in person. Walk out of your kitchen and family room and you are greeted with the best outdoor living experience in Highland Park. Your outdoor space includes a covered patio with heaters and fans, beautiful pool with tanning ledge, water feature, and a fire pit. Plus, you have a mix of artificial turf and Luder's limestone. You have a surrounding stone wall with detailed accents and plenty of trees providing lots of privacy. Plus, you got a killer outdoor surround sound system. Now this is luxury living. Who wants to go for a swim? And how about this 3-car garage? Man, it's nice. You got enough space to bring in your truck, your sports car, or your energy efficient vehicle where you can plug it in on either side of your garage. Hey, come on in here, but don't forget to take off your shoes here in this mud room that has plenty of storage for the kids' backpacks. And from here you have instant access out this door to your covered patio and your pool. Plus you have a half bath that your guests can use when they're hanging out outside. This home even has an elevator that goes up all the way to the 3rd story. One of my most favorite architectural features of this home is the floating iron glass staircase with wood beams in this extravagant gold light fixture. Now let's go check out the 2nd level. Man, I love this staircase, it's gorgeous. Welcome to the 2nd level, where we have 4 additional bedrooms with their own ensuite bathrooms, each designed totally different to give an incredible feel and a different style. But my favorite is the master bedroom and bathroom. It's incredible. Let's go take a look. Open this door to your master suite's private hallway and enter into the bedroom. These large double-door iron and glass Juliet balconies on both sides that overlook your courtyard and your outdoor living space. I love just opening them up and enjoying the perfect weather and the fresh air outside. The master bedroom is wired so you can equip it with automated blinds, shades, and you have lighting on both sides of your king bed so you can adjust the light for the perfect mood. Welcome to your luxury master bathroom. This is a bathroom that you're never gonna wanna leave. You have his and her toilets, his and her vanities, complete with beautiful marble countertops and this gorgeous custom grooved wood cabinetry with gold handles. You have gold hardware for your sink. You have creatively designed tile walls behind the vanities made of marble. Plus, you got storage on both sides, plenty of storage with its own lighting. And you're ready to relax in the soaker tub, here it is. The master shower includes frameless glass on 3 of the sides with dual entries, plus you have an exotic marble wall with multiple shower heads and a handheld. Come on out this side, dry off. Grab a robe, and then come on to your master closet so you can choose what you're gonna wear tonight. You gotta see this. Ah, there you are. Check out this master closet. You have incredible lighting throughout the entire master closet, glass shelving for, your best shoes, plenty of space and storage for all of your things, drawers on every side, soft close of course. You have your white oak 5-inch hardwood flooring continued into your master closet, a spot for a TV. You have plenty of shelving, including these jewelry cases, soft close of course, extra lighting, and also additional pull-out shelving. This master closet has it all. You're never gonna wanna leave it. You have a utility room complete with a dog washing station. The 5th bedroom upstairs could also double as a nanny's room or a playroom for the kids. It has a double door entry, a landing from the staircase, elevator access. You have instant access to your attic with plenty of storage, an ensuite bath, custom closet, and a place for all your audio-visual equipment and wiring. Now that I've taken the elevator to the 2nd floor with all my goodies and snacks, it's time to move to the media room. Whoa! This is incredible. You've got a half bath all to yourself when you're here watching a movie or doing some cool gaming. And check out these backlit stairs. I feel like Darth Vader in Star Wars. And whoa! You've got quartz countertops on both sides. You've got this glass shelving for any kind of memorabilia or anything else you might want to put up here. A sink so you can enjoy a cocktail or a beverage while you're up here. Plus, you've got windows on both sides to let in a little light. And the design of this media room is probably cooler than any movie you can watch. Check out this custom wood that you have on both sides of this Zebrino marble that's been sandblasted and acid washed to give it this cool texture. Plus, you have recessed lighting on the top and bottom that makes it pop when you walk in and have all of your other lights out. Come on kids, get outside. It's time to get some fresh air. Ah, that's better. I want to thank you for joining me today on this incredible luxury home tour courtesy of Ventura Custom Homes. Hey, this home has everything. You got fire and water. If you want to see more of this property, then give me a call or you can schedule a showing with Ventura Custom Homes. Please check out all of my listings and any other information on koberggroup.com. And please make sure to follow and like me on all my social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make a comment on this video because I love to hear what you've got to say. Don't forget, #WillSellsIt, and we'll see you on the next home tour.